best cameras for photography and videography in 2024. The perfect camera with spectacular specs can take your shots to the next level, giving you improved photography skills or honing your creativity if you're a professional. This video covers cameras from leading brands such as Sony, Nikon, and Canon. GadInsider has compiled a lineup of the best cameras for photography and videography. Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV is one of the worthy successors with a new 33-megapixel sensor that's solid for both stills and video. It's a compelling mirrorless option for hybrid shooters. The price hike does mean it's no longer an entry-level full-frame camera such as its forebearer, but a Bion's XR processor powers solid performance that widely justifies the extra expenditure. Moreover, the A7 IV benefits from Sony class-leading autofocus skills, updates like 10-bit video, and an almost endless buffer depth with a CF Express card. Sony A7 RV. The Sony A7 RV also solves several of the A7R IV's drawbacks to become a more complete professional camera. The new 61-megapixel sensor and Bion's XR processor team up to provide remarkably detailed stills. 8 stops of image stabilization made it simple to shoot handheld and focused images. Moreover, it's integrated with the effectiveness of real-time recognition autofocus. However, it's not perfect, but it can normally detect a range of subjects and capture them smoothly. Canon EOS R10. Canon EOS R10 isn't the cheapest choice for beginners, as it's claimed to be the best camera for those starting their photography journey. The spiritual successor to Canon's popular mid-range DSLRs, the EOS R10 has 2 standout skills: impressive subject tracking autofocus and speedy 15 frames per second burst shooting, which was earlier unheard of at this price. Canon EOS R7. If you don't require a full-frame camera for your various tasks, it's said that no crop sensor camera can currently beat the Canon EOS R7. It sports superb autofocus performance, excellent in-body image stabilization, and the class-leading details provided by its 32.5-megapixel sensor. Fujifilm X100 VI. The Fujifilm X100 VI is one of the best options for the people. Waiting time to receive delivery are majorly reduced after its unprecedented pre-order. The latest model is nearly identical to the Eye with its retro style, fixed 23mm f2 lens, and budget-friendly design, while its hybrid viewfinder remains. The essential feature to be viewed when purchasing a digital camera is sensor size, as a larger size isn't always better, but it is a good guide to what kind of camera it is. Moreover, check the prices of the lenses and who it's aimed at. In general, micro four thirds and APS-C cameras are for both hobbyists and pros, while full-frame models tend to be strictly for advanced photographers with bigger budgets.